Hello, everyone. I hope you're having an amazing Saturday and enjoying your weekend. We're hosting an open house at 123 Swinedale in Milton. This is a beautiful three bedrooms, 3+1 washroom townhouse located in the prestigious community of Scott in Milton. Properties upgraded top to bottom, newer AC, newer roof, newer furnace, newer hot water tank. It's turnkey moving. Also has a finished basement apartment that is currently rented, and that can be helpful for you to generate additional rental income, especially in this challenging market for the rising interest rates. This can be a great barrier to overcome. Now, if you're a first time home buyer or someone who's looking to upsize into a freehold property, this can certainly fit well into your requirement. Property has separate living, family, dining, a very practical layout, and is close to parks, transits, shopping, and so much more. Come